Hello everyone. Welcome to the CRM Essentials course. In the previous lesson, we finished the Order Management module. This lesson, we will learn the Task Management module. Task Management module includes tasks and calendars feature set. In a CRM system, adding tasks helps team members track and manage activities and responsibilities related to leads, customers, opportunities, orders, and contracts. For example, when a lead expresses interest in a product, a task can be created to follow up with a phone call or send product information. As the lead progresses to become a customer, tasks can be assigned for activities such as customer satisfaction surveys or product training. Similarly, for opportunities, tasks can be created for preparing sales presentations or providing customized quotes. In the case of orders, tasks can be used to track order processing or schedule deliveries. For contracts, tasks can be set to remind about contract renewal dates or to execute specific terms within the contract. Adding tasks allows for better organization, coordination, and efficiency in managing activities and deadlines related to leads, customers, opportunities, orders, and contracts within the CRM system. The calendar is a great way to display tasks. Through it, you can quickly view task details or add a new task. Next, let's learn about the tasks. Tasks refer to specific action items or work assignments that need to be completed within a certain timeframe. These tasks can include follow-ups with customers, sending contracts, scheduling meetings, or any other activities related to customer interactions. You can see that tasks include the following main features: add task, search task, view task details, edit task, and archive task. The task management process in a CRM system typically involves the following steps: task creation and assignment. Users create tasks and assign them to specific team members or individuals within the CRM system. Task execution. Assigned team members or individuals carry out the tasks according to the details and requirements specified in the CRM system. Reminder notifications. The CRM system sends out automated reminders and notifications to the relevant individuals to ensure that tasks are not overlooked or delayed. Task monitoring. Managers and supervisors can monitor the progress of tasks within the CRM system, tracking their status and any potential issues that may arise. Task completion. Once tasks are finished, team members mark them as completed within the CRM system, providing a clear record of the task's resolution. For example, a sales manager creates a task for a sales representative to conduct a product demonstration with a potential customer and sets a reminder. The sales manager then assigns this task to the sales representative and sets a task reminder. The sales representative carries out the task, conducts the product demonstration with the potential customer, and records the results in the CRM system. At the set reminder time, the CRM system sends a reminder notification to the sales representative to ensure timely task completion. The sales manager can monitor the progress of the task in the system at any time and ensure that the task is completed on time. A lead, customer, opportunity, order, contract, and contact can be associated with multiple tasks. They have a one-to-one relationship. Next, let's create the data structure. Duplicate the Payments sheet and rename it to F3-1 Tasks. Change the title to F3-1 Tasks as well. In the Basic Info section, delete all existing items. Then, we will add task name, owner, participants, priority, start time, end time, related items, reminders items. The related items are modules that tasks can be associated with. These include lead, customer, contact, opportunity, order, and contact. These modules can all create related tasks. The reminder section includes notification, pop-up, email, and SMS. Notification refers to app or website notifications, while pop-up refers to in-app or on-site pop-up messages. We also need a status info section. It includes task status. The task status includes draft, pending, active, expired, terminated, renewed, amended, and cancelled. In the relevant module section, we need a comments similar to follow-up. It is used for project members to provide feedback on project progress. Next, we will create a prototype based on the data structure we've established. First, duplicate the Payments folder and its branches, naming it Tasks. Then, modify the names of these pages. Go to the Task Management page and change the page title to Tasks. In the Search section, add a Task Status and change its options to Draft, Pending, Active, Expired, Terminated, Renewed, Amended, and Cancelled. Then, change the search items to task name, related lead, related order, related customer, related contact, and related opportunity. In the table section, modify the titles, buttons, and tab text. Enter the table dynamic panel. We need a task name and participants. Here, we'll add longer text, using ellipses for excess text. In the process of writing the PRD or product definition, you'll need to define how text is displayed in special cases. Next, we need a task status. Here, we'll use green text to indicate completed and orange text to indicate delayed. You can use colors as needed to differentiate between different statuses. Then, we also need a progress, which we'll represent with a labeled progress bar. Then, there's priority, used to differentiate the urgency of tasks. Finally, we need remarks, start time, and end time. Go to the New Task page and modify the page title. We need a task name and participants, which is a multi-select option allowing you to choose multiple participants. Then, there's related items, where you input the items from our data structure. Next, copy and paste a task status. Then, there's progress, which requires several percentage options. After that, there's priority, for which we need options like high, medium, and low. Then, there's start time, which we can create as a master for future use. There's end time. Next is reminder, where we'll add checkboxes of SMS, notification, email, and phone call. Then, there's reminder time, where you can select the advanced time options. The reminder can actually be a large system. It not only includes reminders before the start of a task, but it can also include reminders during task execution. For example, reminders for delays, special circumstances, important matters, task completion, and so on. Here, we will first create the function for advance reminders. Copy and paste all elements to the Edit Task page. Modify the page title and the interaction of the Submit button. Then, go to the Task Details page and change the page title to a task name. In the Important Information section, copy and paste the drop-down of Task Status, allowing you to directly adjust the task status. Then, copy and paste a progress bar. We need a related item, adding a text link to it that links to the Order Details page. In the Tabs section, remove Contacts and Follow-up Records, and change Orders to Comments. We only need these tabs. In the Basic Info section, we need Start Time, End Time, Reminder, Advance Time, and Remarks. In the Participants section, we'll import a few images. Next, let's modify the Edit button interaction on the Task Management page. Set it to open the Edit Task page. Modify the interaction of clicking the Task Name button to open the New Task page. Go to the Frame page, select the Tasks navigation, and set it to open the Task Management page in the inline frame when clicked. Return to the Task Details page. Select the Follow-up Records state of the dynamic panel, and modify its content to change it to the Comments state. Then, modify the interaction of the Comments tab to set the changed state of the dynamic panel to the one just modified. In the avatar list, add an Add button to the last item. Return to the Frame page. Preview the prototype. Click the Tasks navigation, open the Task Management page. You can filter and search for projects. Click the New Task button to enter the New Task page, where you can add a new task and return to the previous page. On the Edit Task page, you can edit a task. Click the Task Details button to enter the Task Details page, where you can select the task status and switch between different tabs. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share with others. Thank you.